Hey, this is Amber Lothridge from North Georgia RESA. This is going to be a quick tutorial that will show you how to use Adobe Spark to help you do a read aloud, because we all know how complicated it is to try to hold a book, show the pages, and read the words and keep it all in the video. So this is the easiest way that I have found that you can accomplish all of that and make it look really good too. So the first thing you're going to do is go to sparkadobe.com and sign up for the free account, which is what I'm using today. You're going to come over to the side once you get logged in and do create a project and select video. Now we're doing a video because we're adding pictures of the book, and then we're also recording us reading the book. Well, I had Pete the cat, so I wouldn't do this. Okay. I start with just a simple, this is going to be a Pete the cat book, and do next, and it'll bring you into your templates. Now, I was saying before I was interrupted by the screen is that you can do this on your phone or you can do it on your computer. I've found that my phone is much easier to take the pictures and work with. However, it's a lot slower and doesn't is a little more difficult to edit on my phone just because of the size of it. So I like to make my own. And it's going to pull up a couple of blank slides. Now I have already taken pictures of the pictures in the book, and at the end we will give due credit where it belongs to James Dean, and then the publishers the publisher HarperCollins. But for now, let me show you how to get the pictures of the book in. I took my pictures on this computer. You just click the little plus button, click photo, and upload photos, and it goes straight into my camera roll because this was my last place, but camera roll. And then I include the title for the first page. And the little edit button here will allow you to make it bigger or smaller depending on what you need. I like to make it so you can see all of the picture that I took. And then to record the words, you just push and hold down this red button. This is Pete the Cat, Cave Cat Pete by James Dean, published by HarperCollins. Okay, did you see the 10 that popped up right here? You only have 30 seconds per slide, so if you can't get that page read in 30 seconds, you could just post another picture of the page and read on the next slide. To add your next slide, you just come over here and push the plus button. We're going to do photo, upload photo, and we're going to do the next picture. Now, after you record it, you can push this little play button and it will play that slide for you. If you want to re-record it, all you have to do is push this down and then re-record it. Right over here, it plays music. You can pick the song that you would like it to play, which is just instrumental in the black background. If you think that'll distract your kids, you can do so. I always turn it down. I like it. I think it makes it sound very professional. But that's one of the coolest features I think it has. So when you get finished adding your pages and adding your photos and reading the book page by page, so that if you make a mistake, it's okay to start over. It's so much easier than trying to record an entire book in one recording. In this part, I put read by, and sometimes I have help from my little boys, and so I put their names in there with me. And then this is where I write written and illustrated by, and then also the published by. So to share it is super easy. You can also add collaborators so that you could have somebody log into your account and record some slides with you or on their own, since we're all virtual right now. So you can click share and then publish. And I also put James Dean in, written and illustrated by James Dean, and then I put Cave Cat Pete, and then published by HarperCollins, and then down here. It takes it a few minutes. The longer it is, of course, the longer it takes to download. But once it does download, you'll have a link that you can share. You can copy it and paste it into anything. But there's also a lot of options down here that will directly post it into your Google account, your Google Classroom account, or Facebook or Twitter or your email, if you have your email set up on your computer. So it's super easy to share. Once again, this is copied. All you would have to do is paste it into whatever you would want to, or click the Google Classroom and it goes straight into your Google Classroom, which is really convenient. And as long as you're sharing it with students, publishing rights aren't an issue, because it would be like you reading it in your class. If you're going to publish it to something like Facebook, I think right now most authors have given and publishers have given permissions for that, but just make sure that you have permission before sharing any book or whatever you create. I hope this helps, and I hope you have a wonderful day. It was so nice to work with you guys. Bye bye.